In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code on Google Sites, a simple process that allows you to customize your site with unique content. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site beyond the pre-designed templates provided by Google. Whether you're looking to embed a special widget, a custom form, or any other HTML element, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First off, let's open Google Sites and navigate to the site where you want to insert your HTML code. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and have selected the specific site you wish to modify. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a few options on the right hand side of your screen. To get started, take a look at the Insert panel and locate the Embed option. You'll find this among other tools like text box and images. Clicking on Embed is your gateway to adding custom HTML code. Once you've clicked on this, a pop-up will appear with two tabs, By URL and Embed Code. Instead of using the URL option, you'll want to switch to the Embed Code tab, which allows you to directly insert HTML code. Clicking this tab will bring up a text area where you can input your HTML code. Now, before pasting your code, make sure it's properly formatted and free from syntax errors. Errors here can prevent the code from displaying correctly. With your code ready, simply paste it into this text area. You might want to double check it to ensure everything looks correct before moving on. Take this moment to verify any scripts, styles, or links that might be part of your HTML. After pasting, Google Sites offers a preview option so you can see how your code will render on the page. This is extremely helpful to ensure everything is displaying as intended. Now it's time to add the HTML to your site. Click the Next button and a preview of what you've embedded will appear. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Insert to place your HTML on the page. You can now move it around, resize it, or adjust it just like other elements on the site. Be sure to check how it interacts with other content on your page to maintain a clean and professional appearance. Finally, don't forget to publish your changes once you're satisfied with how they appear. When you're ready, click that Publish button to make your adjustments live for everyone to see. Remember, the beauty of Google Sites is its flexibility, so feel free to experiment with different codes to make your site exactly what you envision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue to explore more ways to enrich your Google Sites experience.